Hello students, today we'll start exercise 6.1 question number 1. Today we'll do only question number 1. Okay, it's very easy. What is there in question number 1? They are asking what will be the unit digit of the square of the following numbers. That is, if you do the square, okay, what will be the square, what will be the unit digit of that particular square. Okay, so now we'll write this. Since, as you remember that I said that any digit which will carry 1 as a unit digit, so what is the square, how the square will end with the unit digit? Do you remember? 1 on 9. Okay, let us revise again. Okay, since the given digit, a given number, since the given number carries has unit digit as 1, isn't it? What is the unit digit of this particular number? 1. So I've written 1. Since the given number has unit digit as 1, so its square will end with the unit digit as 1 into 1 will be what? 1 only. Understood? So 81, what is the square? What is the in the unit digit? 1. So we have learned that any number which carries 1 or 9 at a place of unit digit, they will always the square will end with the unit digit as 1 only. Okay, so this particular line you have to write everywhere. That is, since in this, what is the unit digit? 9. So since the given number has unit digit as 9 now. So what is 9 into 9? 81. So its square will end, if you do the square, okay, the answer, the unit digit will be what? That will be 1 only. Will end with the unit digit as 9 into 9 is what? 9 into 9? 9 into 9 is 81. So that is 1 only, isn't it? See, 1 only. So we have already discussed this matter in the previous video, that any number which carries unit digit as 1 and 9, the square of that particular number will end with the unit digit as 1. Okay, now let's discuss 4. What is there in 4? 4 4s are 16. 4 and 6. Remember, we discussed any number which carries 4 and 6 as a unit digit, the square of that number will always end with the unit digit as 6. Okay, so that is the reason I gave you those introduction initially only. So since, again you will write, since the given number has unit digit as what? What is the unit digit this time? 4. So its square will end with the unit digit as, what is 4 into 4? 16. So 16 as 6, that is 6 only. Understood? Now what is this? Carries 8. Now what is there in 8? What we discussed about 8? Let us see. Now since the given number has unit digit as 8, You remember what I said? Any number which carries unit digit as 2 and 8, the square will end with the unit digits as 4. Okay, so its square will end with the unit digit as what? 2 2s are 4 and 8 8s are what? 64. So what is there in the unit digit? 4. That is 4. So this is how you will do question number 1. I have only done 4 sums. There are altogether 10 sums are there. So I believe that if you have understood the previous video, then there would be no problem to solve this question number 1. Okay. So for this session, the only the assignment is question number 1 all, that is 1 to 10. These are very easy. Okay, do it and submit it in Google Classroom or in WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you and take care.